DNA, the Metaverse Dual Chain Network Architecture.
Hi, I'm Alex Lightman, and this is the Lightman Report. Our subject this week is blockchain in gambling. So, how's blockchain going to change the gambling industry? Here's a use case of it. We have blockchain can solve critical challenges for the casinos and in accounting, cash in, cash out, security, regulation, and bridge the gap between online and in-person at facility experiences. When this was made, Las Vegas was just beginning to open back up after the COVID-19 lockdown. So why blockchain technology? Unalterable, copied only, real-time tracking, security, no single point of failure, reduced costs, transparency, trusted transaction, and if you want, no third-party involvement. So blockchain can change the gambling business model. Traditional casinos and bookies are interested in clients' losses, and the blockchain can make them the only arbiter and change the game and make it so that players compete against each other. Lock poker finally closes owing million. The Curacao regulator showed itself to be the world's worst in taking no action to prevent lock poker from depriving players of their money. So basically, you want to make sure that if anybody puts their money in, I made a bet recently for $20,000 and with a billionaire, and he didn't pay. So I really want people to have these things be automated and not just have to trust people for that. So there are all kinds of fraud and online gambling, which is where a lot of people are doing their gambling with all the lockdowns now that most of Las Vegas and Macau and other places are closed. So bonus abuse, collusion, chip dumping, chargeback abuse, credit card fraud can all be dealt with through blockchain. So decentralized casinos are based on the principle that the casino or the bookie never wins, just has its fee from transactions. And this cuts costs and fees, and the blockchain can make an instant payout and an immutable winning amount. And I would think that governments would want this too, so they would get their cut for taxes. A decentralized gambling and smart betting. You already have prediction markets using blockchain algorithms, and you have blockchain and smart contracts that it can be implemented for automatic changing. And so that you have also the Department of Defense, DARPA, has wanted to have prediction markets. So this is a form of open source intelligence for the military. Fairness and trust. Blockchain can ensure that every spin of every wheel and every flip of every card is fair by tracking the random number generator on their blockchain. Today, customers don't control their money in a casino. The blockchain can change that and make a history of all the operations and fund storage transparent, and you can give instant payouts that are instantly transferred to the customer's wallet. You also want to have KYC, know your customer. It's required, along with anti-money laundering. So blockchain solutions can be used for verification of the customer. All financial documents can be moved to the blockchain ledger, and using the blockchain, bookies and casinos can create a permission management system based on the Know Your Customer database and working on smart contracts. Blockchain eliminates fraud, can ensure secure transactions, can prevent data from being changed or deleted, and a history of victories is not only open, but also well protected and immutable, and you can protect users' personal data. So there are a number of countries that allow crypto gambling: the UK, Italy, the Netherlands, Greece, Poland, Belgium, and Japan, though Japan has a lot of restrictions that are pretty strict. So we're working on, well, a lot of people, I'm not working on it, but other people are working on lifting the betting ban in the US and blockchain. And the betting market in the US is reloading. The blockchain startups in the sector of betting have greater chances, and they don't have traditional bookies as competitors like they do. They don't have a Ladbrokes like in London. But there's regulatory uncertainty in US states. And basically you have Bitcoin and gambling. You want to have both of these things be legal in states. Some casinos in Las Vegas have started to accept cryptocurrency. And here are some of the blockchain casinos and bookies: BitStars, Edgeless, United, Funfair, Ethereum. Funfair is the first one that I actually bought some tokens in. BetMatch, BitCasino.io, and TruePlay. And also you have crypto implemented as a payment method by bookies, by casinos, and in the gaming industry. And then also playing fair. Welcome to the casino, pick a number between so-and-so. When it comes to online casinos, players are concerned that the game results could be rigged or manipulated. And in response to this, most casinos employ some sort of provably fair algorithm, which allows the player to check whether the game outcome was randomly generated or pre-programmed. However, in order for this to be truly fair, there has to be indisputable evidence that the server seed used to generate the outcome wasn't manipulated. So because of this, blockchain-based solutions require a decentralized network and smart contracts to generate game results by using the randomly generated blockchain hash to determine the game outcome. And the value can't be predicted in advance. So welcome to the brave new world of gambling with the blockchain. I hope that this has been interesting and useful and maybe giving you some ideas that you can put to work. This is Alex Lightman for the Lightman Report. I'll see you next week.